Did you know hand dryers are designed to torture you? This Lego guy is about to find out why. He walks up to the dryer and waves his wet hands. Nothing happens. He tries again, still nothing. But watch what happens when he holds up a paper towel. The sensor lights up instantly. The conspiracy runs deeper. The air pressure is just strong enough to blow water around your hands, not actually dry them. The timer shuts off right when your hands are still soaking wet. And the sound? It's so loud you want to give up and just wipe your hands on your pants. Look at this height problem. The dryer is positioned perfectly for everyone except your actual size. The sensor even responds differently based on your skin color. You need to hold your hands in some weird magical position that nobody can figure out. Meanwhile, the paper towel dispenser sits there empty, laughing at you. Here's the truth. Hand dryer companies secretly work with paper towel makers. They make the dryers so annoying that you'll buy paper towels instead. Mind blown, right?